Hello, welcome everybody to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make the viewport of Substance Painter look exactly the same as the viewport of Unreal. Let's get it. Okay, we are here in the Substance viewport, and you can see it's the typical Substance viewport. Nothing is changed. I have my chest armor that I was painting. I already finished painting it, and I have the materials, everything put it right here, and you can see it's a typical Substance Painter viewport. Nothing is changed. But when we compare this to Unreal, you can see in Unreal it's a little bit more. I have a little bit more punch. I have a little bit more contrast. And instead, here in the Substance render viewport, you can see it's like a little bit like toned down. Don't look exactly like the same to the Unreal viewport. And at least for me, this caused me not too much problems, because it's not like, oh, I need to go and change this, but it's a little bit annoying to when you have like something you like in Substance, like I say, I like this, no? I say like, yeah, this looks cool, and I explore everything, and I go to Unreal, and I create the master material and everything, and when I put everything there, I try to change the roughness, the metalness, and don't look exactly the same. It's like, oh man. And really, that's a little bit annoying. That happens to me a lot. And with this little trick that I'm going to show you, that for me this is completely gone, because now what I see in Substance viewport is the same that I see right here. And when I export that to here, it's exactly the same. I don't need to change anything in Substance. I only need, if I want to change something, maybe in Unreal, but you don't need to do extra steps or anything. And that's a really good part of these little tricks. And it's released like what I say. Okay, and let's go. Okay guys, we are here in the art station. This is the first step you're going to need to do. You need to go to the art station of Brian Lulux. He's the one that created the lot that we are going to use for Substance Painter. This first step is really simple. You need to go like and follow to this guy for creating this awesome lot. You can see right here in the page he have like a lot of examples of how the lot looks and how it compares to Unreal. But you need to go to the gun row. When you open the gun row right here, the lot is free. You don't need to pay for anything. You can make a donation if you want. I already download the lot. Then we need to go to Substance. Right here in Substance, I have the file open up already. You have like these 4 things. You have how to use it, the license, and the 2 lots. This one is a little bit more darker than this one, but we are only using this one. You can try both of them. I'm going to drag both of them to Substance Painter, and right here you're going to select both, and you're going to put color lot. I'm going to put in the current session, import. You have right here the lots, and then you're going to go to display settings. In display settings, you're going to go to the bottom, and you're going to activate pose effects. Check it. Then you are going to go to the third option, tone mapping. You're going to activate tone mapping, and here in tone mapping and functions, you're going to change whatever you have here for lot. You can see it's a little bit more darker. It's a little bit more more darker than before. Then the last step, you're going to need a little bit to the bottom. Here in activate color lot profile, right here you are going to activate, and then you can see it's dark. It's barely you can see the chest armor, but right here you're going to select the ASUE4, and that's it. This tutorial is finished. You can see it looks a lot better, a lot different. And right here you have more details, more contrast, more, you can see exactly the same that you are going to see in Unreal. But you can try the other one if you want. That is the IS standard. You can see it's a little bit more darker. It's exactly the same, only more darker. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use UE4. And now we are going to compare these two lots. And now we can see the two side by side, the real one and the Substance one. It'll look the same, exactly the same, but that is because of the lighting of each scene. I don't have exactly the same lighting, but the detail and everything of is here is exactly the same here. And if we go to the rendering of Substance, you can see it's really the same. They have a little bit difference, like where you say for the lighting, but it's exactly the same if you compare it side by side. And you can go to the art station and look for you to the the change. This is a lot. This is real. Here have the same lighting and everything, and it looks awesome. But right here is the same. You can see it's exactly the same. And the only thing that is like not the same is the lighting, but it looks cool. It looks good. It looks awesome. And that's it, guys, for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next time.